Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my monthly Sips by subscription. Every month I get some teas that are selected just for me based on a profile that I filled out. And we got some extra information for the November box. It looks like there's a coupon code and some other info on there. Then behind that, this is the card you normally get, and it gives you all sorts of information about your tea. You get 4 different kinds, and I always get like a good variety of caffeine free and caffeine. So let's take a look. You always get these little fillable baggies if you're getting loose leaf tea. The first one is from Davidson's Organics. This is cranberry orange. There should be 4 of them, yep. There's typically, or always so far, 4 whenever you get individual bagged ones. So, got that. Have some loose leaf tea called Ghoulish Delight. Trader Nick's Tea Company. This is black tea with toffee, chocolate, almond, and earthy pure. I don't know what that is. Never heard of that before. Pretty interesting. We have some more little tea bags here. That one you could kind of see through. Wild Swans. This is a black tea with an herbal infusion. That's the steeping time on there. And the last one is from the stash. We have a Spice Dragon Red Chai. That sounds really good. I do like chai tea. And this one is caffeine free. Ginger root, clove, cinnamon. Yeah, that looks good. So like I said, your box would be probably completely different than mine. You do fill out a profile letting them know what kind of tea you like and dislike, and then they curate the box for you. And then this card has all sorts of information, the steeping time, caffeine levels, and their social medias. Sometimes there's promo codes in there as well. But if you would like to subscribe, I will put all the information below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.